Hello everyone, hello guys, hello nationwide, worldwide, sa buong mundo. Yesterday, di ba, when I go to church, I spent Christmas Mass in the church yesterday. So, every year, since that I'm working here in Baghdad, yearly I go church, so I take one of them a souvenir only. Simply, it's not expensive souvenir. And now yesterday this one, because previous years kasi I take some souvenir for Celine, the headband, the Santa Claus headband, but she has already, she's too much. So this one I buy so that next year, inshallah, we can use also this one for the decoration. Okay. Oh, hair. Oh, I put hair that one. Yeah. Oh, ayan no. Oh. Okay, so I can put this one hair down in the ribbon. Okay. This one and the Merry Christmas is hair. We have Merry Christmas. It's very small. Ayan. Small. So small. What's that? It's okay. That is only our Christmas tree. Because before, that's what I'm telling you. Before, this one is third floor. The second one, I got to remove. I remove because it's not yet good. So that's all. That's why the result is this one alone. But it's okay. The important we have a Christmas tree. It's very nice Christmas tree I have. Full of presentation of sabit-sabit. Okay. So that's why. We have ayan no. Ayan, hello. Ayun yung Merry Christmas namin, small. Okay lang. That is all, you see. And she has hadiah also, that one when she made Christmas party in the school. And this one also is last year when we buy also that one in the good church. Okay. So I make it good. First we have some for our just a minute. Okay. May ayos na rin siya. Okay. Ayan. And that's one. So at least we finish already our Christmas tree. See you next year. Inshallah. Ayan si Papa Noel. Hello, Papa Noel. Nasa baba kasi siya. Nasa pinakababa. Ayan, yun lagi na lang doon. Ayan. Hello, Papa Noel. Ayan. All that good Christmas. Mahulog yung natin. Cellphone ulit. Okay. So, thank you again. Once again. Thank you very much for everything that you are spending time and you are patient to watch my video. Okay. Saan naman yung lagayan natin? Ilagay na muna natin para masandalan. Para manawin si Papa Noel. Once again, thank you very much that you are giving time so what I'm telling to watch my short videos, to my regular videos, and simply all of that one is simply videos. That what I'm doing here every day what I'm doing here in the apartment. This is condo apartment of my employer. Okay, so to go out, we are going out. So if they are bringing to me, so I can take videos, that one. And that is all the taken here only in Baghdad, Iraq. And sometimes there is some, if summer, but if not winter, not too much. If summer, we go to another, what's that, another mga, it's like Barrio-Barrio ba, another place only, but it's belong only in Baghdad. Okay, but it's like in the farm or in the beach, like that one. But it's not beach that for the sea, because there is no sea, it's river only. And thank you that you are watching, and don't forget also to subscribe me. Don't forget to comments, likes, or it's up to you. Basta, I wish that you are giving me effort, or you are giving me chance, effort and chance to subscribe my channel, to subscribe my Simply channel, and I put na lang up, okay? And this one, it's heavy kasi. So sometimes I can put down, but they remove, you can put here only. With a rose flower. Okay? This one na lang kasi. Next steps. Wala nang huyog na yun. Next steps, ito na. Mga black, mga baliktad na. Nako, don't move, Grace, si Santa Claus. After that one, he's singing, and it's copyright na. Aray ko. Oh, like that one na lang. Andito si his hair. Si Santa Claus girl. Okay, so once again, thank you very much talaga. And keep safe lagi, wherever you are, whatever you do. And take care. always saying that. Take care your health, especially in your work, especially if you are driving or whatever you do. Okay, so thank you very much talaga. As in talaga, okay? And my laundry is finished already, and it's make it sounds na to. So at least the Christmas, there is 3 kings pa yata. Oh, diba? And then the coming soon year 2025. Okay, so once again, and I need to eat pa again my breakfast. I'm hungry. I'm always telling hungry. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and thank you very much, and God bless us all. Keep safe lagi and be happy. Happy na lang. Any problems that you have, just ignore. I know that all that one is pain, but that is our life. That is the part of our life while we are still living in this earth, in this mundo. Kaya ganun talaga siguro ang buhay natin. Kaya relax na lang para hindi ma-high blood. At saka God bless with us. God provide everything what we have, and He is not giving to us if we cannot handle everything. Okay, so once again, thank you once again, always once again, thank you, and bye. Okay, yan ako to, i-focus ko yan. Okay.